All right, let's light things up. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, you have the word called lampa. Lampa. Lampa is a lamp or light bulb. Phrases first as always, and then sentences. Now, phrases. To turn on the lamp or to replace the light bulb. Let's translate it into Azerbaijani. Lampanı yandırmak or lampanı dəyişmək. Now, I mentioned it previously. Yandırmak, technically, the literal translation means to burn. But in this case, it's to turn on. Lampanı yandırmak, to turn on the lamp. Next, this one's straightforward. Replace, dəyişmək. Dəyişmək, also the literal translation, means to change. So, do you replace it? Lampanı dəyişmək, to replace the light bulb. Now, let's take a look at some sentences. First one. Mətbəxə girən kimi qaranlıq idi. Ona görə birinci işim lampa yandırmaq oldu ki, itirdiyim açarları tapa bilim. Let's translate. As soon as I entered the kitchen, it was dark. So my first move was to turn on the lamp so I could find my lost keys. Mətbəxə girən kimi. As soon as I entered the kitchen. Girən kimi, as soon as I entered. That's where kimi comes in handy, is as soon as. Qaranlıq idi. It was dark. Ona görə də, so or that's why. Birinci işim, first move. My first move. İşim. See, işim, that suffix at the end, so it shows that it's my first move. Lampa yandırmaq oldu ki was to turn on the lamp, so I could find my lost keys. İtirdiyim açarları tapa bilim. Açar, key, açarlar, keys. Açarları da keys. Now, next sentence. Zalın tavanındakı köhnə lampanı dəyişmək üçün nərdivan gətirdim. Çünki otağın işıqlandırılması qeyri-bərabər idi. It has some nice words to pay attention, but let's translate first. I brought the ladder to change the old bulb in the living room ceiling because the room's lighting was uneven. Now, why I meant good words? Qeyri-bərabər, uneven, işıqlandırma, the lighting, and another one I like, the ladder, nərdivan. Some of those are loan words, but it's a nice words to learn because they are the ones that used most of the time. Now, Zalın tavanındakı. Zal, we call it for living room. Tavan is the ceiling. We already went over this word. Köhnə lampanı dəyişmək üçün, to change the old bulb, nərdivan gətirdim. I brought the ladder. See, we didn't say man gətirdim, man. We say gətirdim, that suffix shows I'm the one who's doing it. Nərdivan, ladder. Çünki, because. Otağın işıqlandırılması, the room's lighting. Otaq, the room, işıqlandırma, lighting. Light, ışık, işıqlandırma, lighting. Was uneven, qeyri-bərabər idi. See, bərabər, even, qeyri-bərabər, uneven. Idi, we already know, was. All right? That was today's word, lampa. How else we can use it, dad jokes? Yes, of course. Of course the lampa burns out the moment I start reading. Now, I have masterazerbaijani.com where I post blogs for deeper grammar, pronunciation, cultural, historical, and learning tips. Make sure to check it out. I believe you'll find it interesting. Additionally, I have built Master Azerbaijani app where I will help you to learn Azerbaijani step by step. I have module 1 there that is completely free and it will give you the foundation you need to keep building with confidence. Check it out. Otherwise, if you enjoy this version, come back to Word for the Word. Cheers.